Aren't you tired? Because I am. I am exhausted from the fact that every year is the same as the previous year in some way, shape, or form, but mostly in what I want to achieve, right? If you're here and you're watching this video right now with the topic at hand, is because you're tired of maybe going a full on decade, maybe several decades, but at least several years where you're busting your ass trying to achieve what it is you truly want and just nothing happens. Well, I'm here to tell you why. Okay, my name is Tommy. I do consultations about limiting beliefs, and the main feedback in every consultation that I have done in 2025 is the following: I don't truly believe that I deserve to be successful. And that's what's stopping you. Only. You can have the most comprehensive plan in your mind, but since you don't believe you deserve it, you're keeping it in your mind, you don't write it down, you don't have anywhere that you can go and pick up the goals that you've had for 2025. For sure, I swear, the ones of you who had those goals, the only reason then, if you had them written down and you didn't pursue them, is the lack of respect you have for yourself in terms of valuing yourself as much as you value other people. So you put all of your goals aside, all of what you want completely aside to help others or do for others, and then you forget your own goals. And voila, now at the end of this year, you're back to the same starting point as you basically had when 2025 started. So what can we do to make 2026 not be the same way? Number one, write down every single goal you have for 2026. Health, fitness, financial, experiences, travel, all of it. Every single goal. It might take you 2 hours, it might take you 5 hours. Every single one. Because number one, when you do this, you get clarity. You understand what it is you actually want versus would be nice to achieve. We're not going for what would be nice to achieve. What would be nice to achieve happens as a result of you chasing the actual full-on goal. Yeah? So, no bullshit. Just put it down on paper what you actually want. Don't care about if it affects anyone else. Stop that. Put that aside. This is for you and you only. So put it down on paper. I want to achieve should be the topic on top. And then when you write it, when you write your goals, and I'm not bullshitting you here, write, I have achieved this. I own this. I've gotten hold of this. I have experienced this. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Write it down as a goal already achieved. And here's why that's important. Because if you write it down and you read it to yourself and you reread every month, you're telling yourself you've already gotten it. You're just on your way there. Which put me to the second part. Make checkpoints to each goal. Every single one. And I mean it. You have to put checkpoints and stop effing around with, oh yeah, this is going to be my goal. Because here's the point. Your goal is on this side. Here's your starting point. What happens in between here? You have no idea. No clue until you've reached here by some magical way. And that could take you all of 2026, or it could take you a month. You have no idea. So map out checkpoints that you know you would recognize as a step towards the end goal. So if you start, for example, with your fitness level at 0, over here, and you know, well, if I can lift 10 kilos more after a month than I did when I started per repetition, that's a checkpoint. Put that checkpoint down. Put the second one, oh, I can now lift 20 kilos more per set. And then put it here. Doesn't matter, but put it on a checkpoint list per goal, which you can achieve, and it can be different ones. Yeah, if your goal is weight loss, yeah, put the amounts of kilos down. Okay. Or if it's strength, like I showed you just now, 10 kilos more, 20 kilos more. It's very easy to use fitness, isn't it? Because everybody thinks about that. It's the number one New Year's resolution of the world. I don't give a crap what your New Year's resolution is, because most people fall off. I've done it a million times. Every year I'm going to get more healthy. Every year I'm going to get slimmer. Every year I'm going to get stronger. And then voila, here we sit, and we are at the same starting point because we quit during the way because nobody wrote it down. For me, business is more important than fitness, and I need to change that for 2026 full on, because there's no point in being more wealthy if you're not more healthy. You know, it's quite simple. Otherwise than that, make sure to have someone to keep you accountable. And no bullshit here. If you have no one that checks up on you to keep you accountable for what you need to achieve and what you want in life, it's probably time to find someone that values you a bit more, okay? Sure, you can say, but everyone has their own thing. Everyone deals with a lot of stuff. Don't you check up on your friends? Don't you reach out? Don't you talk to them? Don't you make sure that they know someone in the world exists that cares about them, but you get nothing in return? If that happens to you, stop reaching out to them, or at least give them the same amount as they've given you. This should also be written down. Yeah? Who contributes to my progress and who does not? And of course, friendships do not need to be based on do they help you reach your goals, but they damn sure better not be keeping you from achieving these goals. Yeah? You are the result of the 5 persons you spend the most time with, and that's online and it's in real life. It doesn't matter where. If they are not moving forward, guess what? You're not either. It's truly as simple as that. So get that down on paper as well. Which people have been pushing me forward in 2025 and who have not? Who have I helped in 2025 and I've heard nothing from? Yeah? Put yourself first for one freaking year. 1 year only. Your things comes first for once. And you will be astounded of the change that you will experience within yourself, because the clarity of knowing, my gosh, the people I've been pouring so much energy into and got nothing from, and now I've found people who actually give a crap and want me to succeed, and they keep pushing me forward. If you do not have any people like that today, I'm sure you do, but if you have too few of them, join our school community. It's a free community. We will help you stay accountable. We will help you reach your goals. Just come in and introduce yourself, say hi, and join others who are making sure that 2026 will be their year. For the first time out of the decades of years, people have been saying this, right? I welcome you into our group. You can also have one-on-ones with me. But at least join the group, get to know people. We do lives as well. We're going to do that in 2026, just to make sure that people like you who want to achieve things and actually do it have someone to share your joys with from achieving your goals. Welcome to our school group. And if not, well, good luck in 2026. Now write it down.